Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and as you can see we have the Galaxy S9 Plus with us, and it's a brand new box. It's still pretty sealed. We are going to struggle a little bit to get this seal open, so bear with us. The phone was announced in India today, and we have a link in the descriptor giving you all the details, which include the price, availability, and all the schemes that the phone comes with. And here it is. The first thing that you get when you open the box is not exactly the phone, but the quick starter guide and a little case, which we will get to in a bit. And here it is, the Galaxy S9 Plus, and we have the black variant of the phone. As you can see, there are the dual cameras and the fingerprint sensor below it, and what a beauty it is. But we will get to the phone in just a second. Let's see what else we get in the box. You have the wall socket, which is pretty much standard, what you'd expect. You have a USB adapter as well that comes in the box, which is kind of a nice touch if you need to transfer data from an older phone. And let's see what else is there. Yep, you get the USB Type-C cable as well, which is also pretty jet black. And you get a pair of AKG powered headphones, and this is actually pretty nice seeing Samsung partner with a headphone maker to get you a nice pair of headphones in the box. How they actually fare in quality is something we will tell you when we actually test it. Now, coming back to the phone itself, of course it makes sense that Samsung would give you this rubber clad case in the box itself, because the back of the phone is glass, and you really don't want to get a lot of fingerprints or get that dirty. You may want to invest in a better case if you are a little more finicky. We are going to power on this phone and take it through its paces, but this was just an initial unboxing and to show you what you get in the box. It's a pretty feature-packed box with headphones, the charger, and a USB adapter. The Galaxy S9 Plus features a 6.2-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display. Now the display looks gorgeous, and Samsung has truly perfected its sharpness and color temperature. It's not too warm or too cold. It looks just right. Colors are rendered beautifully, and the touch response is ultra smooth. The device runs on the Exynos 9810 processor and comes with 6 GB of RAM. As always, we haven't seen the Qualcomm variant launch in India. It will be available in two storage variants, 64 GB and 256 GB. The best part is that the storage can be expanded up to a whopping 400 GB via a microSD card. The AKG tuned stereo speakers are loud and promise a surround sound feel with Dolby Atmos, but we will reserve our judgment till the review is done. As far as security is concerned, the device can be unlocked using a number of methods, including pattern lock, PIN, password, iris scan, fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, as well as a multimodal biometric authentication with the iris scanner and face recognition. Beat that. This year, the most important feature of the Galaxy S9 lineup is the rear camera setup with a variable aperture. You can manually switch between two aperture sizes, f1.5 and f2.4. And since this is a dual camera setup, you also get the live focus mode. The camera app is fast, and it's easy to switch between various modes, including the 960 FPS slow motion mode. Another cool feature, even though it's picked up from Apple's and emojis, is AR emojis. Now what it does is essentially converts your face into an AR emoji, and you can actually make videos like this one and share it with your friends. It doesn't matter whether you have a Galaxy S9 Plus or a Galaxy S8 or any other phone, you can still share it. And on first look, well, feels a little gimmicky, but it's still an interesting feature, right? So these were our first impressions of the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Whether the device is a worthy upgrade from the Galaxy S8 Plus is something we will comment in our review. Till then, you can tell us what you thought of this video in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share it. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.